Hi everyone! Welcome to TOSTEM Training Center.
I'm Kanako and he's Masaru. Today we are going to introduce SASH Training Center in TOSTEM Thai factory. TOSTEM is #1 aluminum sash plant in Japan for many years. We came to deliver living technology to improve the way people live.
In our long history, we realized that it is important to support people to become sash experts, people from both inside and outside TOSTEM. TOSTEM Sash Training Center is one and only in the world where you can learn hands-on skills about it. There are 4 sections in this video: assembly, installation, handover, and maintenance.
In this video, you can learn the assembly process of TOSTEM knockdown product. It is easy, time-saving, and efficient. All you need is just simple tools and TOSTEM product. Let's check this video together. Here we go!
Prior to the assembly work, inspect the work clothes to ensure that you are well equipped with all safety equipment, which includes safety glasses, long-sleeved workwear, gloves, safety shoes, earplugs, dust protection mask, and first aid kit. The tools needed to assemble frame and panel are a cordless drill and screwdriver bits, extension leads, screwdriver, rubber mallet, supporting wood for glass assembly, measuring tape, water gauge, sealant and caulking gun, rubbing alcohol, cleaning cloth, scissors, rubber cutting scissors, cutter, glass suction cup and glass cutter. Frame assembly. Prior to the assembly, inspect that the product package is in good condition, no damage inside. A product label shows product details, the client's name and project's name, lot number, house type, the product code and individual frame or panel codes, manufacturing order number, product series, and reference number of windows and doors for the correct location to install. Meaning of codes. The product code is a set of numbers that represents the product details, including the type, color, glass type, and the product's width and height, while the subcodes indicate whether the package is frame or panel. Open the package using scissors. Be careful not to scratch the aluminum bars. Keep the label safe for the post-assembly inspection. After opening the package, inspect the aluminum bars and other assembly parts for any damage such as cracks, dents, or scratches, as well as checking all the parts, such as the frame parts, including the header, sill, left and right side jambs, and the attachments, TOSTEM brand sticker, the drain valve, an airtight piece, the back plate, and installation screws. Frame assembly for sliding type. First, check the position of the header, sill, left and right side jambs. To distinguish the exterior and interior, the TOSTEM brand sticker must be on the interior side of the header, and the drain valve must be on the exterior side of the sill. The assembly process starts from joining the sill with the side jambs, and then the header. Tighten screws at 4 corners with the back plates by using the cordless drill. Adjust the torque setting to 2.0 to 2.5 Newton meter. A higher torque setting may damage the screw head. After the assembly, inspect the frame joints. The gasket must be rigidly fixed, leaving about half a millimeter jutting out to make an effective seal. Leave 0.5 millimeters jutting out. Inspect that the TOSTEM brand sticker is on the interior right-hand side of the header, and the drain valve is on the exterior side of the sill. The final step is to ensure accurate sizing by measuring the frame width and height. WE Series sliding window and door panel assembly. The preparation. Inspect the label information and the package to ensure that it is in good condition. Carefully unwrap the product and check the aluminum bars and other panel parts for damage or dents. Examine the surface of the aluminum bars, both inside and outside. Inspect the crescent lock, handle, roller, and airtight piece for damage. The technician must put on protective clothing such as long-sleeved workwear and safety gloves before handling the glass. Glass window and door rubber seal installation. Start forcing the seal in place from the center of the top edge of the glass. Use scissors to nick the seal at each corner. Force the seal around the edge until it reaches the starting point and cut the rubber seal, allowing 1 centimeter extra to prevent air and water leakage. When the rubber gradually shrinks from heat, adjust the 2 ends neatly together. Allow 1 centimeter extra. The panel assembly. To begin, assemble the panels in an L shape by joining the top rail to one of the stiles and joining the bottom rail to the other stile. The part can be distinguished as follows. 1. The top rail has rubber on the exterior side. 2. The bottom rail has roller. 3. The left and right stiles have rubber on the exterior and the letters L and R to indicate the correct side. Tightly screw the rails to the stiles with a drill, ensuring that they are firmly screwed together. Warning! Once the parts are assembled, do not unscrew to prevent thread damage. The glass and panel assembly. Fit the L-shaped panel to the glass. Place a supporting wood beside the panel. Knock the panel through supporting wood to fit the glass into the panel groove with a rubber mallet. And screw tightly. Ensure that the rubber seal is not twisted and the seal at the corners fits securely to the panel. The final step is to ensure accurate sizing by measuring the frame width and height at 3 positions and measuring the 2 diagonals to determine that the panel is squarely assembled. WE Series Casement Window Panel Assembly. The casement window panel shares the same assembly method as the sliding panel. Assemble the panel to the frame header and sill, which are fitted with friction arms, before assembling the panel to the side frames. WE Series Casement and Fixed Window Assembly. The lock will help identify the casement window frame. The fixed window will have a rubber seal around the edge. Before assembling, remove the attachments and replace them with the setting box plates. To assemble, fix the casement window frame into the groove of the mullion, making sure that the backer rod is on the exterior side. Finally, assemble the fixed window on the other side of the mullion. P7 Series Sliding and Fixed Window Assembly. To start the assembly, identify the bottom jamb, making sure that the drain valve is on the exterior side, and the header, ensuring that the TOSTEM brand sticker is on the interior right-hand side of the header. Assemble the transom to the top of sliding door frame, ensuring that the rubber seal is on the exterior side. Then assemble the fixed panel on the top, making sure that the rubber seal is on the exterior side and fastened firmly with screws. The sliding panel and the fixed panel can be positioned on top or below as preferred. And this is how we work on frame and panel assembly as a professional.
Hey Masa, I was very impressed how easy assembly process is. I believe I can do it right now.
Of course you can. Besides its easiness, all the materials in the box are prefabricated or pre-cut. So you don't need to worry about cutting them precisely or making mistakes in fabrication process.
So it means everything's in there so that I can start assembly right now. And
Product quality is always promised. You've already got the point, Kanako. This content will be continued to the other videos. Installation, handover, and maintenance. So you may also check them out, and we'll see you again there. Bye bye!